y'all, you saw the thumbnail, you know what's up. We are going to be purging, okay? Purging makeup that I know for a fact I'm not gonna use. We're gonna start off with a sad one, but I am getting rid of this Grown Alchemist anti-pollution primer anti-pollution. The reason why we're getting rid of her is because she flakes up, okay? Every single time I put this on my face now, I guess because it's old, okay, it's a little old now, it flakes up really bad to the point where it's a hassle. It doesn't make my life easier, it makes my life harder. So unfortunately, she has to go. The next thing that I'm getting rid of is this P. Louise 3 Strikes You're Out, and this is a cream bronzer palette. Now the reason why I'm getting rid of this isn't because it's a bad product, it's just not the right colors. It's way too light, way too dark, way too orange. She has to go. I love the packaging. This packaging is everything. The product just does not work for my skin tone. I wish I knew before I, touched it. I could have gave it to somebody else, but unfortunately, we are where we are. The next thing I'm gonna get rid of is the She Glam primer, and the reason why I'm getting rid of it is because it just leaves a really bad white cast and it doesn't make my makeup look any better. Plus, I don't reach for her. That's another thing, I don't reach for her. So we're gonna go ahead and toss this. The next thing I'm getting rid of is by Rachel Couture, and this is, I believe, this is a mascara. Now, I did use this for a challenge. I don't think I want to dip back into her. I tried to do that thing where you dip it in powder and then you put it back in and then you do your lashes. Baby girl, closing doors. And it was a mess, okay? It didn't do anything, so I'm just gonna toss this. I have so many mascaras that I actually like. I'm gonna get rid of this one because it's old, okay? This is old, and honestly, I didn't quite like it anyways. It just made my eyelashes very just goopy, and it put way too much product on my eyelashes. So I am gonna get rid of that one. I'm gonna get rid of this one. This is by Illuminati Cosmetics. Not because she's bad, but because she's old, okay? And I don't wanna get an infection again. Y'all, maybe a few months ago, I got a really bad infection right in my eyelash area, and it was so painful, you guys. I barely could open my eyes. I'm also gonna get rid of this She Glam matte setting spray. If you guys been with the channel, you already know this setting spray is trash, okay? The mist doesn't even get to your face. You would have to spray it like this, and by that time, it'll be too much, if you bring it too far away. It's a mess. You can't get a really good set with this spray. It's terrible. And not only that, it looks like it has stuff in it. I don't know, maybe, it's like a mixing ball. I don't know, but this is bad. It's terrible. I think that was the worst thing outside of the mascara that I got from She Glam. Absolutely horrendous. The next thing that I'm getting rid of is by Sophia and Maybell, and this is the highlighter bronzer duo. This is what it looks like. Just meh. I have enough bronzers, I have enough highlighters. This is it's not special. I know I'm not gonna reach for her, so I'm just gonna purge. The next thing that I'm pulling out is by Luna Magic, and this is a powder foundation. 1, not my color. 2, I hate powder foundation. This was how I found out that I hated powder foundation. It does nothing for me. This is the little eyebrow thing that I had. It's a little eyebrow gel with the color, and it does nothing for my eyebrows. Absolutely nothing for them. No point in having it. Project Lip, and this is a lip plumper. The color is fine. I was shooketh when I put this on because I didn't know it was a lip plumper. Okay, I didn't read that little logo on the back. I just saw, Project Lip, cool. Put it on. I was like, what the hell? Why is my lip tingling? So we're getting rid of this because 1, I don't use it, and 2, I don't use it. The next thing that I'm getting rid of is by Jasmine Beauty, and this is a gel for your eyebrows. I'm not reaching for it. And then not only that, it's old to the point where it's degrading. It's not even a gel anymore. I don't even know what this is. It looks disgusting. It looks disgusting. So it has to go because it's old, but then also, even if it wasn't old, I don't use it. Y'all already know I have 3 eyebrow hairs. What am I doing with the eyebrow gel? Okay, there's nothing to put in place. She Glam, a lot of She Glam. And it is the white eyeliner. It's all dried up. I tried it. It's dry, so it's not even gonna do what it needs to do. Wet n Wild, okay? Wet n Wild, she's old. That's why I'm getting rid of her. She's old. The next thing that I'm getting rid of is by Context Dual lip liner. I mean, when I got it, it was broken. This side is fine, but it's the other side that is just it popped all the way out, you guys. It was a mess. And even the color that they do have on here, It's just, I mean, I have that in other shades and better formulas. Not because I don't like her, but because she's old. Oh wait, no, this isn't the one. Oh, I was confusing this with the other lippy. This is the lippy that I got from, again, Glam. This is what she looks like. I just have too many double ups. I have this color 5 billion times. 5 billion times in a much better formula, so she's gotta go. The next thing I'm getting rid of is because she's old, and not only that, I did not like her. You see that? This is the ColourPop concealer, just trash. I did not like the concealer. I also did not like the contour, so they're both going. Okay, this ColourPop nonsense, gotta go. Just, ugh. Terrible formula. The next thing I'm getting rid of is this Chantico Beauty, and this is like a duochrome double, and this is what it looks like. I mean, it's okay, but I'm not reaching for this. Okay, I'm not reaching for this. Actually, that's really pretty. Wait, am I changing my mind? I put it on like the worst part of my hand. The heck? I don't know if that's really catching on camera. It's actually, you know what? Never mind. I'm putting this back. I'm putting this back. That's cute. I like that. I like that. That's cute. What I am going to get rid of, though, is this liquid eyeliner by Rachel Couture. I don't like this, and it's all disheveled. Like, I don't know if you could tell, it's disheveled. I don't like liquid eyeliners that are like dips like this. I rather a felt tip, so she's gotta go. Mia Show, I think I got this from Temu. Color that it has on the side is like really pretty. When you put it down, it doesn't really, well, I guess it kind of has that color. It's kind of. But when am I reaching for that? Not only that, it's by Temu. So I'm a little about Temu makeup. This is the bronzer. Okay, this is the bronzer. The color is just bad. Like, even just looking at it right now, I'm just like, ugh. That's not a really pretty color. Packaging is cool though. I'm getting rid of this Glam concealer. The color is just, it's not a good color for my concealer. It's way too orange, way too, well, it's not really orange, it's more yellow. It's way too golden. Now I have a golden undertone, but I need the concealer to be a lot lighter than this. Now the next concealer I'm getting rid of because it's old and it's too light. And this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, okay, holy grail, just wrong color and old. I hate duos, okay? I'm gonna need y'all to stop putting things side by side because it's gonna mix together, it's gonna blend and not in a good way. And this is the Ofra, okay? You got a bronzer on one side and then you have the blush on the other side. Messy, ugh, I don't like it. I do not like products like this. Next thing I'm getting rid of is also my contour in LA Girl. Again, old. I've had that for like 3 years, maybe even 4. I think I've had that for like 4 years. Ugh. Oldie, old. Paranova, this is a lip liner. The reason why I'm getting rid of this is because actually, I'm looking at that color and I'm like, do I like that? I might actually like that as like all over my lips. You know, I'm gonna keep this. I actually really like that color. It's right next to the concealer. I think that's actually really pretty. Never mind. This is why when you're gonna purge makeup, this is what you do. You put it off to the side and then you wait a little bit and then you go back through it again like this. Maybe not filming it, but you go back again. Then that way you can figure out if you wanna keep it or not. The next thing I'm gonna get rid of is by Glamnetic. It is the liquid magnetic liner. Now, I don't have any magnetic lashes. Ooh. And this thing doesn't even want to come out. Like, look at this. It's like, bruh, it's, what in the tarnations? It doesn't want to come out. Like, it literally does not want to come out. Okay, so yeah, even if I had magnetic lashes, I'm not using this. Okay, I'm not using this. It's old. The next thing I'm gonna get rid of is this Ready Set Shine by P. Louise. This color would never work on me. Okay, it's way too deep. And then also, I don't like those sparkles. Like, I barely can use the Dewy Set from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Barely can use that. Let alone something like that where it's just straight up shine. The next thing I'm getting rid of is this Multi-Effect Primer by ZC. Meh, white cast all day, because that makeup is geared towards Chinese people, okay, Chinese women. I don't even know why I put this in the box. It's empty. It's empty. This is some good stuff. If you don't have Milk makeup money, this is just as good. I'll probably re-up on that very soon. Let's see. The next thing I'm getting rid of is because it's old And not only that, I'm not gonna use it, okay? I might use it for like Halloween if I were to do something, but let's be for real, I'm not using it. And it's sticky. It's too old. I wouldn't want to put this on my skin, and it even looks like it's dried up. And this is by Magic Castle Cosmetics. This is one of those things where you wanna use it up within the first year, or else it's just gonna be a mess. The next thing I'm getting rid of is this Ultra lip gloss in Blissful. This is what she looks like. The reason why I'm getting rid of it, okay, I know last time we were gonna keep her, but then I put her on and then I realized I didn't like it. At first I was like, whoa, okay, this is really pretty. You know, I was like, oh, that's really pretty. But after looking at it on camera and then wearing it, I was like, nope, I was right the first time. Wet n Wild black liner. It's old. It's just, I don't use these that often. And it's old, like I said. We're getting to the bottom, you guys. Almost over. Next thing I'm getting rid of is Give Them Lala Beauty, and this is a mascara. The reason why I'm getting rid of this is because it is old, okay? We used her as soon as we got her. We started using her, and now it's been over a year since then. You're supposed to get rid of your mascaras like every 2 months, 3 months, not years. So, gotta go. She Glam mascara, absolute trash. I don't know why you would design your wand to be flat like this. It's just, it doesn't give what needs to be gave. Even if it gave what needed to be given, it's old. So, gotta go. This is the Magic Extension and then the Max Stack. These are great, okay? Love these, but old, okay? Decrepit and old. Gotta get rid of it. I do not, when I tell you it was so painful, I do not want to get another infection in my lash line. No ma'am, no thank you. So we're getting rid of all the oldies. This She Glam makeup, and the reason why is because she's old. She's separating. I tried mixing it back up to see if that would help, and it didn't. So unfortunately she has to go. I actually like this foundation. It's pretty decent. The next thing I'm getting rid of is LA Colors, and this is the liquid liner. Again, this is a dip. Don't like that. Don't like that. Don't reach for it. And it's old. You want to use up your eye products like ASAP. The next thing, now that I'm looking at it, I don't know if I want to get rid of it. This is my cute little freck, little itty bitty freck. Let me just do a thing. I think I was wanting to get rid of it because I was like trying to do more natural makeup, but I actually think that looks really cute. Okay, never mind. We're gonna keep her. She's still a vibe. Just maybe not doing like the crazy kooky makeup, you know, the e-girl makeup. I think, you know, just using it very subtly like this is fine. Thank you, baby girl, for grabbing something that I told you to leave alone. Thank you, boo. The next thing I'm getting rid of is by YC Collections. It's just a black liner. I remember when I tried it, I didn't like it. Maybelline, and this is the Shaping Lip Liner in Totally Toffee. See, this looks almost identical to that Pear Nova. It's just slightly more muted. Just slightly more muted. This is old. I just remembered this is old, so that's gotta go. Second last thing is the ZC Slender Mascara. Now, I actually really like this product. Look at how tiny that wand is. It's absolutely insanely tiny. And this is perfect for your lower lash line. The only thing I really didn't like was because it's so tiny, it's very flimsy. So like trying to get it back into the case, you end up bending it. And the last thing, again, is because she's old, not because I don't like her. But this is my Stila eyeliner. Very beautiful eyeliner, but she's old and she's starting to dry out. The box is empty. I want to keep the things that I'm going to use and then actually use them, get through the products. You know, I don't want to be super wasteful, even though like throwing away all of this, it is inherently wasteful, but I'm not going to give it to anybody because it's old. And then also I've used it, so I don't feel comfortable giving makeup that I've used to other people. It's just ew. I want to be a little bit more selective with the products that I bring in. So if I do end up signing up for another beauty subscription, I probably would just keep it at that. The little samples, you can get through the sample sizes pretty easily. Bella's trying to do what I'm doing. She's like holding up the products and like talking. When it comes to signing up for more products, I probably would just stick to maybe the BoxyCharm because then I have some choice. I can choose things that I will use and then actually use them. And I'm gonna try to cycle out my makeup. So right now I have my fall collection, okay? My fall makeup, I have that set off to the side. As it transitions into winter time, I will swap in my winter makeup and then we'll try to get through it as much as we can. only buy the things that we need. Was there anything that you were like, girl, you should have kept that? Or do you agree with me that all of this had to go? If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe so that you can become a Faye Bae. And I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.
Bye-bye.